What if choosing the wrong mobility device made your daily life harder instead of easier? Today, we're breaking down the real difference between mobility scooters and electric wheelchairs. Mobility scooters are designed for outdoor freedom and longer distances. They usually have handlebars, like a bike, making them simple and easy to control. Electric wheelchairs, on the other hand, are built for indoor precision and tight spaces. They use joystick controls, allowing better control for people with limited hand strength. Comfort is another big difference. Electric wheelchairs offer more support for posture and long-term use. But mobility scooters are faster and better for shopping trips or outdoor travel. However, scooters need more space and aren't great for small rooms. So which one should you choose? If you want comfort and indoor control, go for an electric wheelchair. For speed and outdoor freedom, choose a mobility scooter. Follow for more smart health tech comparisons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.